I'm doing a new print. I haven't done it for a bit, so I've changed rooms. I brought my machine into what should be my bedroom, but I don't have a bed. So here it goes. Let's hope it works. Just got to make sure it runs. It's doing a test line on the left there. And then it should start in the middle somewhere. Make sure it runs. Make sure it starts up. Looks right. It's very small, very subtle. Yeah, you just see it on the back. See you in a bit. Still printing. It's looking good. It's looking good, people. It's looking good. Be back soon. It's done, people. Slow-mo. Oh, wrong place. What is it? Guess what it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's supposed to be a bread bag pincher. Don't know if it's any good. See you later. Hit the thumbs up. Ciao.